This healthier version of orange chicken is as sticky, sweet, and delicious as any. Cut your chicken into bite-sized cubes. You'll need about 5 to 6 medium oranges for 2 cups of juice. You'll need a high-heat oil like sesame, coconut, or avocado oil. You can toss your chicken in potato starch, cornstarch, or no starch at all. You'll need another tablespoon of cornstarch if you want to thicken your sauce, but that's optional. You can mince 2 cloves of garlic or add a teaspoon of garlic powder. And you can grate 2 tablespoons of zest from an orange along with a half teaspoon of pepper, or omit those and instead use 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper. The grated lemon rind adds to the tanginess of the sauce. Combine the sauce ingredients: orange juice, soy sauce, chicken broth, zest, honey, garlic or garlic powder, and ginger. Then bring this to a simmer. Wash, trim, and cut the broccoli into bite-sized pieces. Place in a skillet with a little water and set aside. Add the oil to the skillet and heat over medium-high heat. Coat the chicken with a starch. Then add it to the hot oil. Cooking until the edges of the chicken begin to brown. Then turn the chicken and cook until the chicken is completely cooked. Steam the broccoli 1 to 2 minutes or until crisp tender. If you'd like your sauce to be thicker, add a tablespoon of cornstarch to 3 tablespoons of water, stir well, and add this to the sauce. Then bring your sauce to a boil. Then this healthy, delicious meal is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and check out my playlist for other healthy, gluten-free weeknight meals.